Hi viewers, welcome to our cooking channel Sparkle Cooking. Today we will learn the recipe of carrots halwa. So, let's start with the ingredients. Red carrots 1 kg. Milk 1.25 liters. Clarified butter 3 tablespoons. Sugar 1 or 1.5 cup. Cardamom powder 3 to 4 tablespoons. Chopped raw cashews 2 tablespoons. Recipe: peel and grate the carrots using a hand grater. Use the thicker side of the grater. Add the grated carrots to a pan and turn the heat to medium-high and stirring often. Sauté the carrots for around 10 minutes until all the moisture dries out. Note: we do not add any clarified butter or anything here, just dry roast the carrots to remove the moisture. When you notice that the color of the carrot has changed from red to orange, at this point, remove the pan from the heat and set it aside. Add milk to a pan having a heavy bottom. Please use a heavy bottom pan here. Otherwise you will have trouble and the milk might burn. With the heat on medium-high, stir the milk often and let it come to a boil. I have used 1.25 liter of milk here for 1 kg carrots. You can add milk as you desire between 1 liter to 1.5 liters. Once the milk comes to a boil, lower the heat to medium, let the milk boil, and reduce until it reduces to at least half or a little bit more than half. Remember to stir very often, else milk might get burned and stuck to the bottom of the pan. Meanwhile, fry cashews in 1 tablespoon of clarified butter until they turn golden brown in color and set aside. After around 30 minutes, the milk will reduce to less than half. Please remember to stir the milk very often when it's reducing. Now, add the grated carrots to the milk and stir. Now after this, you have to be extra careful and not leave the halwa unattended. Keep stirring the halwa often on medium heat and cook until all the milk is absorbed by the halwa and it reduces to milk solid. You will see small particles of milk solids in the halwa. This will take around 10 to 20 minutes. At this point, now add sugar to the halwa. Once you mix in the sugar will melt and the halwa will becomes very liquidy again. Continue to cook the halwa, stirring constantly until the sugar liquid is all absorbed. This can take 15 minutes or so. Yeah, this recipe is an excellent hand workout. Don't let the halwa dry out a lot since it will continue to thicken as it cools down. Once that's done, then add the cardamom powder and the remaining 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, or more if you want, and roast for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the nuts to the halwa, give a stir properly, and that's done. Serve the hot carrot halwa with your loved ones. You can add khoya or milk powder at the end to make the halwa richer. Other than cashews, you can also add almonds and golden raisins to the halwa. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos and share them.